What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get gas in a car. As you can see right here is my car and I'm at the gas station. All you need to do to actually get gas is first you get your payment method. If you're paying with cash you need to go inside because they don't actually take cash outside. Or you can use your credit card just by inserting it into this little panel like so. Once you do that, it will actually load in a second and it'll process your card. I have an American Express credit card that I'm using. And once it's done, you just take out your card and you can fill up your car using the gas throttle right here. But before we do that, we actually need to pop our car's throttle open. How we do this is some cars you can actually just push down on this to open it, or you can go over here, and this is how you open up my car's gas tank. You just go over here, open it, unscrew this, and then you go take the gas pump over here, and you actually pick it up and just put it in the nozzle like so. And once you do that, you select the fuel grade you want. In this case, I'm going to use regular. Just make sure your car is not diesel or electric, depending on what you have. Then you pull the trigger right here, and your car will start filling up with gas. And as you can see, it's counting like so. And when you're done, all you need to do, you pull it out of here. It'll actually stop automatically. Put it back, and then all you need to do now is you close the door and turn on your car, and you should be good. Just lock your car when you're doing this so people don't steal it. That's my tip.